First of all, it's important to know when to do a skin fast. It's important to do a skin fast when there are three things happening to your skin. The first thing is when your products are stinging you, moment they touch, there's inflammation, there's redness, there's irritation on your skin. Number two, when your skincare is not showing you results, your acne is not healing, your uneven skin tone is not healing, your pigmentation is not going. The third reason is if you've tested a product and you get a reaction, that is, you get bumps on your skin, or there's too much of dryness, or there's redness. How do you do a skin fast? You just do the bare minimum products on your skin. Use a cleanser which is hydrating, nourishing, is not drying your skin, because at this time you really want gentle products. My go-to is the Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Pore Cleansing Foam EX. Second, you want to use a moisturizer which has got ceramides, cholesterol, fatty acids, good emollients. Moisturizer will not only make sure you don't lose any more water, but also that you have good amount of water on your skin. Look at the moisturizers from the Minimalist, the Deconstruct, and you can also look at this new moisturizer that I discovered from the Unplugged. It has got hyaluronic acid, it's got Hydra Glow Moisturizer, and it also has vitamin B5, and it's got carrot seed oil. Carrot seed oil, if that's at your flags, don't worry, it's a good product. Along with your skin fast, you can also do slugging. Slugging basically means you cleanse your skin, use your moisturizer, and use a good layer of Vaseline. This will basically heal your skin because you're not going to let any water leave your skin. Second thing you can do in the morning is cleanse your skin with just damp tissue and then use a kumkumadi oil. My current favorite is the Ayuga Kumkumadi oil and face serum. You can use that, massage it on your face very gently for about 2-3 minutes, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then cleanse into your morning skincare routine. What a good kumkumadi oil does is, or any oil, you can use almond oil, you can use whatever oil is local to your region, or whatever oils your mothers used to use, if it's mustard oil, coconut oil, gingerly oil, whatever oil it was, right? Basically, oils are very rich in fatty acids, which really heal our skin, and that's what we want. So do that, and do it every day for 10-15 days. In fact, oil massage on your face you can do every day of your life. Next thing you can do is use a hyaluronic acid based serum. A great one is from the Pilgrim. There's also Daughter Earth, and there's of course the Minimalist. Great hyaluronic acid. Make sure that you're eating a certain kind of diet for your skin, because ultimately जो आप खाएंगे वो आपके skin में definitely दिखेगा. Use anti-inflammatory foods like garlic. Just swallow one garlic pod in the morning. That'll help you. You can make a spa water, which is basically crushed cucumber, ginger, dhania. Crush it and drink that juice. You can also make the real spa water, which is you cut fruits into your water and have that. That also helps. Not as much, but it's something that really helps in healing your skin. What you should do is stop all actives along with your retinols, your exfoliation, your masks, your scrubs, everything. At this time, we just want to treat your skin like a baby. Gentlest care of just 3 products: cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, and the oils in the morning, and the Vaseline if you're slugging. And that's all. How long will it take for you to heal your skin back? It can take from between 10 days to 15 days. The thing is that you need to stop the skin fast the day you're able to use the active which you have used before and doesn't sting your skin, number one. Second sign that you can look for is your skin doesn't feel too tight and stretchy. And 3, there's no heat or burning or inflammation. And fourthly, your skin just looks bright and plump, right? Those are the signs that your skin is doing well. You've been good to your skin, and your skin is back to receive the skincare that you want it to be on for maybe melasma, acne, or uneven skin tone or anti-aging. Guys, just a quick note over here. I'm just a skincare educator. I'm not here to flash my editing skills or my Dhoom Dhamaka skills. So you're going to get plain vanilla videos. You'll like them, you're most welcome. You don't like them, I'm sure you'll find better content somewhere else. But if they are boring you, then it's not the education that you're looking for. You're looking for distraction, and nothing that I do over here is a distraction in any way. More in the comment section.